Why doesn't New Jersey have any major cities? I mean, seriously, this state is entirely suburbs. It's by far the largest state in the United States to not have a city of 500,000 people. It has 9 million residents, the 11th most of any state, and yet 17 of its 21 counties are part of metro areas that are centered in different states. The most famous split is between the New York suburbs in the north and the Philadelphia suburbs in the south, but even Wilmington, Delaware, and Allentown, Pennsylvania get slices of New Jersey. The most populous metro area centered in the state is the state capital Trenton, which still has less than 400,000 people. And the most populous city proper is Newark, with about 300,000 people, making it the 20th smallest largest city of any state. So in a part of the country full of major cities, why are none of them in New Jersey? Well, here's the geography of the Garden State explained in less than 3 minutes. Are you ready? Here we go. New Jersey is a small state in the northeast, bordered by New York, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. It's the fifth smallest U.S. state, fitting 9 million people into an area the size of Slovenia. That means New Jersey has 1,200 people per square mile, the highest population density of any state. About 7 million New Jerseyans live in the New York City metropolitan area, roughly the northern half of the state. The Bergen Neck Peninsula, Newark Bay, and the rivers that flow into it gave rise to cities like Newark, Jersey City, Elizabeth, and Passaic. This area has been a critical hub for shipping and industry for hundreds of years and is a huge reason why New York City is so influential in the first place. It's safe to say that New York City wouldn't be as big as it is nowadays were it not for northern New Jersey. But it's also safe to say that there wouldn't be 7 million people in northern New Jersey were it not for New York. Immediately to the south, we reach the Philadelphia metro area where about 2 million New Jerseyans live. That means that there's only about 1 million people to fill the entire rest of the state. So why isn't there a big city in New Jersey itself? Well, because of geography. Aside from the Hudson and Delaware rivers on the state's borders, New Jersey doesn't have a major waterway that could anchor a huge city. In the far north, the land is too hilly and rugged, home to the state's highest point, High Point, at about 1,800 feet. Yes, it's called that. And in the south, you reach a region called the Pine Barrens, a seemingly endless sea of flat forest where the soil is too bad to support agriculture, making this actually one of the least densely populated regions on the entire East Coast. The only other significant center of population in the state is the coast itself, with beaches driving tourism rather than year-long residents, most notably in places like Atlantic City. New Jersey is one of the wealthiest and most highly developed states in the United States, with a median income of about $100,000 a year. It's also one of the most reliably democratic states. The largest industries include pharmaceuticals, logistics, and finance, with the state being home to one of the highest densities of pharmaceutical jobs of any place in the world. Cool places in the state include the Delaware Water Gap, Island Beach State Park, the Atlantic City Boardwalk, Princeton University, and like the weird outer part of Ellis Island. Even though New Jersey gets a bad rep, I think it's one of the most interesting states geographically in the country. It's the only state where a majority of its residents live in metro areas not centered in the state itself. And despite being the most densely populated state, it still manages to fit in some super interesting wilderness areas as well. Jerseyites, let me know how it did in the comments down below, and everybody else, let me know where you think we should go next. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more.